Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Honor Magic 4 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can set Opera as the default browser on this device. Alright, so first of all open up the settings. In here you want to find the apps category. At the apps category, go for the default app section. In here choose browser app, and at the default browser app page simply select Opera, therefore making it the default app for browsing. That is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. In here tap on the avatar picture of yours that is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on this cog or gear icon, which will forward you to settings. In here, open up the default browser section, click on next, select Opera and set it as the default browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.